I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so that I can hardly speak, and I seem to find the happiness I seek when we're out together dancing cheek to cheek. Heaven, I'm in heaven, and the cares that hung around me through the week seem to vanish like a gambler's lucky streak when we're out together dancing cheek to cheek. Oh, I love to climb a mountain and to reach the highest peak.
So you already see I start off with putting some chapstick on my lips to prepare myself for this beat after I do my hair that I'm going to show you. And I'll start with face mask. This face mask is from, what is it called? H&M. I just got it because it was cute. Okay, but it does work. It does work. But we're going to get into this hair company. This is a cute, natural sewing, you know what I'm saying, with the leave out, side out, and the back out, okay? I have 3 bundles in. They also sent me a frontal, but your girl is tired of frontals. I need to give my forehead a break. I have the natural wave, and let me tell you, this from Nadula Hair, okay? And I fucking love this hair. This hair is gorgeous. This is not its natural state, but I will show you the natural state in the second video and how it looked before I put layers in it and all that. But I curled it to make it look beautiful. What, 2 L's, baby? 2 L's. Is that what she said? 2 L's. Okay. You need bobby pins, and then you need a curling iron, and as well as a comb, but I forgot to put it in there. But you're going to part your hair in sections, and you're just going to do big curls. I like my curls big, not small. So we're going to divide it into 2 sections at the bottom part. And there's more than just 2 bottom curls, but I'm just saying. But you're just going to curl it outwards, and then once you leave it on for 15 seconds, so it can like absorb that heat and form its curl, you're going to put that bobby pin on there and secure it. And yeah, you're gonna do that to all your whole head. You're gonna do the same to the other side, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. And then now I'm just gonna speed up the process. As you guys know, I don't want to make a long video, but if you see it step by step for a couple times, and you'll get the hang of it. Max Rule on the track. So this is how it should look. This hair is super silky, so it does fall out, and you're gonna need more than 2 bobby pins to hold it. But you know, at some light, you know. And bam, you see it? You see that? A beat face. I did a pink little smoky eye. Cute, right? Cute. I know it's my first time doing like a pink like cut crease, like bold as fuck. Okay, but we're gonna take these down, and we're gonna see how this baby comes out. Now, I think I look fine as fuck. All the details on this hair will be left down below, but this is a look. This is a natural looking, like, glow. Like, oh my god, I look so good. This is a natural sewing. Like, this looks like it's my hair, and I'm going to prom. Like, this, I don't know how to explain it, but I love the fuck out this style. Like, I can wear a leave out sewing for the rest of my life. I just don't want to make sure, like, my hair is not, like, fucked up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and you know, make sure you put the bell on for notifications, head ass. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye, new baes.